Hey, welcome to season 2 of my pickleball journey, where I'm exploring how to be more balanced in terms of pickleball, but also how to move from using pickleball just for myself to making it something that is life-giving for others. So the question that I'm asking is, how can you and I go from using pickleball just for ourselves, to enjoy community, to exercise, to have be competitive, and all the great things that pickleball it brings into our life. To how do we go from that to where pickleball is actually a platform to where we're giving back, we're serving others, we're participating in the healing and good of community and so on. My friend Steve, recently in a trip that I took to Puerto Vallarta in Mexico, shared with me a important Jewish concept called Tikkun Olam. And that word, or that phrase, means to repair or to restore the world.
Okay, so I walk the beach every day, but this time with Jason, we decided to do some good for the world.
Not we, you told me we were going to pick
Okay,
up
my idea. So we are collecting garbage as we walk along the beach.
Ooh.
So that we are helping improve the world as we go.
And also enjoying. Look at this. One of the things that was so fun when Steve and I were walking on the beach was, that we not only just, picked up trash and, did that, but we just had fun together. There was one day that the tides were coming in and the waves were crashing against a bulkhead, and we ran like kids. It was just so fun to be kids and to enjoy just friendship. And another day, we spotted a whale and went running to track down that whale. And so one of the ways that you can practice Tikkun Olam is just by engaging in friendship, in caring about friends, pursuing friendship, and being about being a blessing and encouragement and support to your friends. So anyway, we're gonna run around this little jetty. Okay. Woo! Okay, lead the way, my guy. That's one of the ways, nice. But I want to share some other examples of how you might practice Tikkun Olam. So I have a friend at Everest Park, that Everest community, named Maddie. And recently Maddie organized a fundraiser to raise money to buy squeegees to make to make it easier for us to clean when the rains fall and it takes so long with these old squeegee and all of this to sort of clean the courts. And anyway, he mobilized us and we rallied to support the cause, and people gave, and we were able to buy a couple of nice new squeegees. So that's a little thing, but it's a way that he used his gift of leadership and his friendships and rallied the community around a common cause. Another friend of mine at Everest named Josh recently reached out and asked if people could donate paddles. He volunteers at the King County Juvenile Center, teaching young people pickleball, and they're just out of paddles. So anyway, people again rallied to support him in his calling and his volunteer work. And that was a great example of how both Maddie and Josh, using their gifts, using their strength, using their heart for what they're doing in the world, were able to call others around them into their calling and to rally us. And we joined in. So anyway, those are just two small examples of how you can go from a heart curved in on yourself to a heart that is for others, to a heart that looks at pickleball not just as something for yourself, but as something, as a platform that you can give and that you can serve, and that you can pursue relationships and be a blessing to others. So anyway, I hope this encourages you in that.